Hello people, how are you all doing? Yeah, today it's just myself and hubby enjoying ourselves. So you guys, you're going to be seeing a lot of beautiful stuffs going on today. Okay? So you guys see our beautiful curtain. Things are coming together. I'll be showing you when everything is done, okay? Just to give you a beautiful view. All right, I'll go ahead and make myself something to eat. Hubby just stepped out. I'll be waiting for him to come back. Why? Gucci is just watching herself playing on the television. You guys, I'm just going to be eating on something I like to eat on while I'm waiting to make something for my hubby before he gets in. Gucci is watching herself on the television. Guys, I'll be showing you some salad recipe I made with salmon for my friends some few days ago. I'll just show you a clip of it. It's so wonderful. Look out for that recipe. It'll be coming out soon, and I hope you try it and let me know in the comment section. You guys, look at this salad recipe.
For me, I feel like exactly what I feel like eating. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is so good. No, it's not laying anywhere here. This is so beautiful. As you all know, this is hubby's favorite. He likes beans a lot. Yeah. If I want it to be very easy for me, I just go with this. I just came back now and I needed to make him something. I quickly thought of what to do, and here I have him beans porridge with some yam. I have some cocoyam. I added some cocoyam. I just went ahead to do this because I don't want him to come back and there'll be no food. So we have beans and yam porridge. You can add cocoyam, you can add yam, you can add potato. Sometimes I add potato. Yeah, this is cocoyam. It doesn't take you a lot to do. You have crayfish, you have dried pepper. Even if you have fresh pepper, you can go ahead and make this. This is very delicious. Okay. Yeah, let me see other things I have to do.
So guys, it's been a very busy week for me. Very, very busy. And you guys, I have some things to unbox. We have some unboxing to do together. Yeah. Make sure you go and try that salmon salad recipe. It's a beautiful one. I went somewhere and I did that salmon salad for my friends and they really loved it. And I told myself I have to show it to you guys on this platform. So if you want me to make that salmon salad recipe, please leave me your comments in the comment section, okay? And I'll go ahead and make it. The way I made my salmon is top notch, top notch. So guys, we have some shoes. Gucci's has some shoes. I was so happy when I came back and I saw some of my things coming in. So I got these shoes. I went to a store and I saw this shoe and I ordered for them. Alright guys, I got this from Shoe Show Mega Store. I actually stopped over there to do something during the week and I saw this lovely shoes. And you guys, you know how difficult it is for me to get my shoe size. I always tell you guys that. I think I've mentioned that on this platform. Like when I was growing up, it was always difficult to get my shoe size. It was always difficult. My in-law would bring a lot of stuff from abroad. He would bring shoes, clothing. I never used to get my shoe size, and he used to hurt me so badly. Because when I say shoes, my siblings used to get a lot of shoes. Even with my mom would take me to all the stores. I remember my mom used to buy us shoes from Bata. If you remember Bata those days, let me know in the comment section. That's where my mom usually shopped for us. Bata. It was a big store in those days. You know, where they have shoes, clothing, and so on. So when my mom takes us out to Bata to get shoes and clothing and all that, I don't usually get my favorite shoe. I just get whatever fits my leg and it doesn't make me feel good. Growing up, I went through it. When they asked us to buy shoes for school, my school sandals, I don't get what the school requests for. That's to tell you how bad, you know, it is. But anytime I go to the store, it makes me want to buy all the shoes that fit my leg. So I stopped by to this store during the week and I saw these beautiful shoes. None of them fits me in the whole of the store. People were getting their shoe sizes. I wasn't getting any. I was so unhappy that day and I said, Madam, how do I get my shoe size? And actually, she told me I can only get it online. They will check if they have my size. And here we go. They got me my size. And then they said they will get me my size if they have to do the ordering. And then they ordered and get my size. So guys, I feel so happy. Isn't this beautiful? Check them out. Shoe Show Mega Store. That's where I got it from. It's not too expensive anyway. You can afford it. So I'll show you other ones. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. You guys, it's difficult to. Is it hard again to open this box? Oh, this box don't want to open. Oh my God, look at me jumping up like a little baby. Jumping up because of my size. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, look. Look at what we got. Look at what we got, guys. Look at what we got. Oh my. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm gonna rock this season. I am gonna make some guy this season. I'm gonna do some shakara this season. I've been looking for my size for red boots for Christmas and I haven't been able to get any. I have gone to several stores, guys, like over the years. My husband was able to get me one boot. One boot. These children have several boots. I only have one boot because of my leg size. But guys, I'm so happy. I hope they will fit me though.
Let's try. See, let's see. Let's see. I hope they do. Oh my goodness. This is good. Oh wow. Woo! I'm so happy. Oh Lord, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Some people are jealousy my shoe here. Some people are doing jealousy on my boots. They love boots. They have a lot. Guys, I have another shoes. I have another shoes. I think this is work shoe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Gucci's is always going for the best. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, shout out to Shoe Show Mega Store. Go there and check for your lovely, lovely shoes. Shoe Show Mega Store has it. They got my choice of size. I'm so happy, guys. This one is my work shoe. Crops. This is it, right? Crops for work. I am so you see, you guys see, oh, see how I'm struggling. This is 13, oh. Gucci is still struggling with it. Imagine. This is for work. I'm so happy. It fits so good. Yep, I've been looking for this for a long time. I'm going to wear this today. Yeah, I'm working night, so I'm going to wear this today. I'm working night. I will use it today. It's raining right now. Yeah. You guys look at this one. This beautiful. Oh, I got myself lovely shoes. I got myself lovely shoes from Shoe Show Mega Store. I got myself some lovely shoes. I got myself some lovely shoes. Got myself some lovely shoes from Mega Store. Mega Shoe Show. Mega Shoe Show. Shoe Show Mega Store. I got myself some lovely stuff from Shoe Show Mega Store, guys. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so happy, you all. Yeah. So, this is my story about my shoe size. Alright guys, I hope you find this video interesting. Today it was just me and my husband in the house, and I decided to just do some good food here and there. I did a salmon salad for my friends and they loved it, so I said, okay, let me show you guys a clip of it, and then I'll show you from the beginning to the end how I made it. So you guys look out for that recipe, salmon salad recipe. I'll show you how I season my salmon fish and how you can enjoy with your family with such beautiful delicacy. Beautiful salmon fish recipe. Okay, you guys, we are still working on this house. We'll let you see the end by the time we are done. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share my videos to your friends and loved ones. Please give me a thumbs up, massive thumbs up. And Gucci's family, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.